Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Bache. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Ma'am.
Bache. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you? I hope you all are taking good care of yourself, not going out unnecessarily, not roaming about. COVID is still not gone. That is somebody who's saying some new variant has come up.
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you read
Yes, ma'am.
newspaper? Okay.
Now
Sorry.
Delta 3.
This only somebody was telling me Delta 3. Any idea how is it different from the previous one? This Delta 3?
Ma'am, it impacts on
Ma'am, it is
children who are
affecting.
below 16 years.
Oh no, this is something very bad.
Ma'am, it is
And
affecting
it
the
damages the
very
lungs
fast.
much faster.
Oh God, this is something scary if it affects children more. As children, the body is so tender, the metabolic system is also not grown up properly. They'll not be able to actually tolerate it. It's going to be very, very difficult. You're right. Somewhere there is an assumption that we are going to have a third wave. It's in the newspapers, the doctors are talking about it, the health ministry is also saying we may have a third wave. But when we are not sure about it, somebody
Ma'am,
says August,
two people have already died from this wave in Maharashtra.
this variant.
Yes,
Yes,
Delta
ma'am.
ma'am.
3.
Ma'am, doctors
And
are
ma'am,
saying
they
that
found 6
after
more cases of this variant only.
ma'am, after 4 to 6 weeks, where the
Mhm.
third wave will arrive.
Yes, I sometimes last 4 5 days I could not catch up with the newspaper. I'm out somewhere and I'm a bit busy because of a medical emergency at my home. But the only thing I felt is it is like everybody is saying it's going to come. That day, Dr. What is Guleria? What is his name? Full
Dr.
name I
Randeep
forgot.
Guleria.
Yeah, Randeep Guleria. I saw him. He was like, the way people are behaving, the third wave is inevitable. Nobody can stop it actually. People are not behaving. Once this the lockdown opens up, everybody becomes so casual. In your society, are people following any kind of SOP for COVID?
Ma'am, this variant can also cause damage to the vaccinated person also.
Oh God. So vaccine no use. Unnecessarily we took so much of pain. My second dose is very soon due, another 2 days. Actually, this vaccine is not working against this variant.
Ma'am, actually, this variant is very strong, so the antibodies are getting weaker on this variant.
Where are these
Because
variants coming from? They're not finishing
ma'am, the
only at
6
under
cases which are found in Maharashtra, they were already vaccinated, but still they are positive.
1 dose or 2 doses.
Ma'am,
And
that
both.
I don't know, but it was only written that they were vaccinated and still they are positive.
You people are not yet
Like
eligible for vaccines, no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, testing is going on in Kerala.
18 plus only is valid. Na? I mean, all
Yes,
of
ma'am.
Ma'am,
the children who are
below
below
18
18,
testing is going on.
testing is going on. Vaccination is not yet started for below 18. Even if
No,
it is
ma'am, not
above
yet.
18, hardly that day I was reading not even 23% of population, 13% yet only vaccinated in India. People are not going for vaccination. I don't know what is there. I was seeing that day on the TV, there was a medical team who went for vaccination, and the people of the village, entire village, they jumped into the river, you know.
yes, ma'am.
They were
Yes,
so
ma'am.
scared. They were so scared. They jumped into the river, and then announcements were done on the mics, loudspeaker, that please come out. We will not force you for vaccine. So when they came out, they were asked, they said, कि नहीं vaccine लगाने से तो मर जाएंगे. In 2 months, we will die.
Yes, ma'am.
They are
This
beating them also.
they are actually throw stone pelting and all this thing is happening for the medical teams. People are not interested. Okay, tell me one thing in 1 minute before I start teaching. What can you do as a student to help the Indian government to motivate people for vaccination? Chalo, give me 1 minute. Tell me your suggestions. As a student, what can you do? What can be your contribution? Of course, you cannot organize seminars or put a tent and tell people go for vaccination. What can you do? And you yourself cannot go out. at this time, and I would never suggest you to go out. So what at home can you do? Think, tell me. Hurry up.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Sure, beta.
Ma'am, I will go on YouTube and I will motivate everyone by giving facts like you won't be positive of corona, and ma'am, there is no side effect any such which will cause you to life death also.
Okay, wonderful. Did you do this? Have you done it already or not yet?
Ma'am, actually, I'm a YouTuber already, so whenever I make any new video, so I always try to motivate everyone that not to go out or to stay in public areas.
Acha, you already means you're already doing it. What you're saying,
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
already doing it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
At least he has his own ways. He is a YouTuber, so he has his own ways of telling the people. Very good. See, if everybody contributes, only then things are going to improve. If you just leave it there, this is a responsibility of the government or the doctors. Things are not going to work out, children. Other students, those who are not YouTubers, sitting at your home, what can be done? Tell me. See, this is creativity. Come up with new ideas. Hurry up. It's a creative writing class. Give me creative ideas.
Ma'am, I will
Should I
also
ask you by
motivate
name
her.
only? Then you will answer. Kshitij Gangwar. Good morning. Invisible man. Inaudible man. Kshitij Gangwar. Good morning. Okay, Shruti Prakash. Good morning. Yes. Shruti, am I audible? Anmol,
Yes,
am I?
ma'am.
Anmol, you give your suggestions, and Anjali, you also very quickly give your suggestions, and we'll move on to the classes. Anjali and Anmol, how can you help in this situation? Motivate people to go for vaccination. Tell me quickly. No one else has any suggestions? Only one child? Nobody has suggestions. You can always at least motivate your helping staff at home, your mates, your mali bhaiyas, your cleaning staff. At least if you get this done, you think that this is the biggest job done. Because literate people sooner or later will certainly go for vaccination. Those who are not going for vaccination are these illiterate people. But it would be a big, big contribution if you can take them and motivate them that please go for vaccination. All those helping staff at your house, the maids who come, or the society garbage pickers who are roaming about, the security guards in your locality. If you can motivate these people to go for vaccination, you've done a big, big job. You've done a big contribution in helping the government in doing this. So please try to do this. It will be of great help for the country. Choose the correct prepositions and fill in the blanks. Plan your answers for the first five, and I'm going to ask you the answers. First five only. Hurry up, bachas. First five. Don't write anywhere, just plan it. Hurry up, beta. Only first five. Raise your hands. Once you plan the first 5 answers, I'll discuss with you quickly. Let me see how many hands raised. Oh, wow. Good. Anmol, Keshav, we are waiting for you. Good, very good. Keshav Pandey, Kshitij Gangwar, good. Hurry up. Rachit, Shivam, Vedanshi, Virat, Swastik. We've been doing writing since so many days. So thought, let's do a bit of grammar for a change and then we'll have a debate session today after this. Okay, speak out the answers. You must try to live dash your income.
Within.
Within.
Very good.
Within.
Within your. Who will tell me the difference between in and within? Prepositions. What is the difference between in and within? We must try to live in our income or within our income. Supposing I say a sentence, look at the sentence. I will visit your place in 15 days. Let me make a sentence, simple sentence. Let me do it this. I'll return from Mumbai in 15 days. And the second sentence says, I'll return from Mumbai within 15 days. What is the
Ma'am,
difference?
can I tell?
Yes, Pachi, please tell.
Ma'am, within means in that amount of time only, not more than that. And ma'am, in means after 15 days.
Excellent, Nabil. See, when I say within 15 days, it means I can come before 15 days also. It would never be like before 15, I'll be there. Within. But when I say I'll come in 15 days, that means for sure I will not come before 15 days. I'll come on the 15th day only. So that is the last limit. In is the last limit. So you must try to live within your income. Very good. You see, I was right, dash all.
After all.
After all.
After all.
Very good. Very good. He rested his bicycle, dashed the wall.
At the wall.
Against.
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 Against the wall. बिल्कुल. In Hindi, we use the word टिका के रखना. इस चीज को टिका दो. You know, that is exactly in English called as against. Okay, I took a support against the wall. So here we are going to put a bicycle. Where in the wall? At, in, for, against.
Against.
And
Against.
He spent many years dash the people of
Among.
Syria.
Among.
Among.
Very good. Very good. Let's have a quick difference of among and between. Who's going to tell me difference between among and between? Very simple one. Must have done it in 9.
Between is between the two. Like among is between many.
Very good. For 2 people, it is between, and for more, it is among. Supposing I bring chocolates and I want to distribute it in the entire class. So I'll say distribute the chocolates among the students or between the students.
Ma'am, among.
Among.
Among the students. Very good. Next. Although his last name is the same as mine, I'm not related dash him.
To.
Two.
Ma'am, two.
Very, very good. Generally, I've seen a general mistake. People use with. I'm not related with him. This is wrong. With related, the preposition goes as to. I'm not related to him. What relation he has? So we should always remember related always takes which preposition? To and not with. Many students use with, never use with. Okay, another minute. Plan your answers for 6 to 10. You're not writing anything. Side by side, I'll keep explaining also the use of preposition. 6 to 10 beta. Keep raising your hands so that I know how many are done. 4 hands already up so that I get an idea. Hurry up, hurry up. Rachit, Priyal, Shruti, Yash, Swastik, Pratyush, Keshav, Anmol. Okay. This textbook is intended dash beginners and high school students.
For
Very good, very good. I am astonished dash that matter.
with
matter.
Hmm?
With that
With that matter.
Okay. The students were shocked dash the news.
For the news.
Hmm? No, it is not for
With the
With the news.
at the
At-
news. Yes, not for, it is at the news. The students were shocked at the news. Shirley spends a lot of money dash cosmetics.
On.
on
In or on? Somebody said in also. So let's have a final answer. In or on?
on
On. Money spending, it is always on. Don't spend so much money on video games, on junk food. So whenever we talk about spending money, remember it is always on only. Dhruv wasted little time dash social formalities.
or social formality.
For very good, very very good. Dhruv wasted little time for social formalities. This is nice, very nice. Only one there was a little confusion. Rest all of you had the perfect answers. 11 to 15 children. Do it and raise your hands. 11 to 15. Prepositions we are doing. What is the difference between in and into, children? Yes. Who will frame a sentence with in and into so that others understand the differences between both of them? Come on, frame sentences, use in and into. Nabil wants to try. Okay, Nabil, speak. Speak, beta. You wanted to speak out. Give me two sentences. One with in, one with into, so that the difference is clear.
Ma'am, we use in when we are indicating a movement. No, ma'am. Ma'am, when we use
No, I
into
think
when
it
we
would
are
be
indicating
better
a
if
movement.
you give us a sentence. It will be easier for the children to understand. Give one
Ma'am, can you give
sentence
me
with
1
in,
minute for
one with into.
sentence?
Ma'am, her phone was in her pocket.
Her phone was in her pocket. Very good. Absolutely correct. Now plan for into. A sentence with into, beta.
Ma'am, he went into the room.
and the tea was poured into the kettle.
Okay, very good. So I think your concept is quite clear. Very, very good. So let's move further. I don't need to discuss. And the same differences between on and upon. Can I have sentences for on and upon so that others are more clear about it in case they've forgotten? To differentiate on and upon. Give me sentences.
She was standing on the table.
She was standing on the table. Okay, fine. And the sentence of upon.
Ma'am, the king put his crown upon the prince's head.
Very good. Very
Ma'am,
good.
they
So there's a
built a
motion.
city upon a cliff.
It's basically that if there's a motion, we talk about upon, otherwise it is on. Let's do 11 to 15. Quickly plan your answers. I'll discuss with you 11 to 15 beta. Let's see. 4 participants have already raised hand. Let's have at least 7 or 8 before we discuss. 6 now, 7, wow, 1 more, 8, 9. Very good. 1 more, round figure 10. We'll start discussing 10. Charlie, let's start. That type of music is quite popular dash teenaged boys and girls.
For teenage.
Yes, Peter?
For.
I'm for.
No, it is not for.
About.
Think again. No.
Ma'am, bye.
I'm with.
Beta, it is with. How do we say? We say Shah Rukh Khan is very popular with young boys. Or we could have it among over here. But among option is not given. That type of music is quite popular with whom? Teenage boys and girls, not for beta. Popular will not go here for. She is beneficent dash the poor.
For
For the poor.
Very good. It is contrary dash our custom.
To our custom.
About.
To our custom. Contrary always takes two. Okay, what does it mean? What does the sentence mean? Who will explain the meaning of this sentence? It is contrary to our custom. Explain the meaning.
ma'am, it's different from our custom.
Yes.
Opposite.
Yes,
Or
it is just the
against
opposite.
our custom.
It is opposite of our custom. Very good. See, in India, the morning color is white. Whenever there is a sorrowful occasion or there's a death, people wear which kind of clothes? What is the color for morning?
Right.
I'm white.
Morning, I'm not talking about morning morning, I'm talking of mourning. शोक व्यक्त करना, दुख का जो color है in India, it is considered to be white. But in Western countries, the brides, they wear white gowns on their weddings. And India, white color is considered to be not good, not auspicious at all when it comes to weddings. So this is a best example that this is contrary to our custom. Let's go further. He's looking dash his reading glasses.
For.
For.
Yes. What does this
For.
sentence mean? Very good. What does this sentence mean?
Searching for his reading glasses.
Very good. The child is looking dash the pictures on the walls.
At.
Excellent. Very smart children. You are giving me the meanings also of all the sentences. I'm getting all answers also correct. Now plan answers from 16 to 20. Then we are going to discuss. Very smart children. Never ignore grammar. Even when you go for competition exams, you will always have editing, vocabulary as a part of it. So always take interest in grammar exercises. Once you're done, raise your hands so that I know how many have done. As of now, only 3 hands. We'll wait for others. Yes, Aditi, Anadi. Surabhi is done. Ravit is done. Aditi, Anmol, Ayush. Keshav is also done. Priyal is also done. Fine. Pranjal Agarwal, good morning. Are you there? Okay,
Yes,
you are there.
ma'am.
And it's fine. I was just checking for attendance. Shivam, good morning. Shivam, good morning. Oh, I got one. I caught one rather, I should say. Swastik, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, you're there. Please raise your hands. Finish it, my child. Virat, good morning. Virat Pandey, are you a new admission, beta? Children, which section is this child? Virat, are you there?
Ma'am, he's in PCM.
He's in PCM. Is he a new admission?
Ma'am, I think so.
I don't think he was there in class 10th earlier, if I remember.
I was a new admission in your school, ma'am.
You are a new admission, Virat. You come from which school, beta?
From Hartman College.
Hartman. Okay. You've joined this year, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can personally message me if you're facing any kind of problems in any subjects. If you need the help of any teachers, I'll certainly speak to the teachers. Okay, Virat?
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone else also, if you have any issues, children, you can personal message to me. Don't worry, your name will never be disclosed. If you have any issues, please tell us. We'll, on my behalf, I'll request the teachers. If there is anything, please send a personal message to me. Relax. It would never go out. Your name will never be disclosed. I'll certainly try and help. And if it is related to me also, please message me. I'm absolutely okay with it. Okay, should we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Put yourself,
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye, put yourself dash my place.
In.
In.
Oh, what is the meaning of this sentence? Put yourself in my place. It does it mean that I should get up and you come and sit on my seat?
The condition.
No, ma'am.
No, of
Ma'am,
course. Yes.
Put yourself
will tell?
in my situation.
Exactly, exactly. Imagine yourself in my situation. Very nice, class. Can you give me a sentence with this? Put yourself in my place. Come on, give me a nice sentence. Put yourself in my place. A sentence with this. Sometimes when you got a lot of homework and your
Ma'am,
friend keeps
ma'am, can I
insisting,
tell?
yes, yes, beta. You tell.
You will feel my pain when you will put yourself in my place.
Excellent. Too good. So I think this is the best sentence which could have been made. Let's go further. Srijan provides his son dash money.
With.
With.
Perfect. An accident has happened dash that family.
With.
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 Very good. Very good. With the family. Dash the time being. I think you'd better not say
For.
anything.
For.
Yes. Very good.
For.
Very good. Now there are two ones. Now you will give me which option is correct. It's always better to study vocabulary, dash connection, dash reading.
In connection
In
with
connection with reading.
connection
with.
in reading.
Better give me the options A, B, C, D so that I know which one you're saying.
Option B.
Option B. It's always better to study vocabulary in connection to reading. Is there anyone who has a different answer? It's absolutely correct. In connection to reading. And what does the sentence mean? What does the sentence
That
mean?
there should be a proper connection between reading and vocabulary.
Yes, there is a strong link between reading and vocabulary. If your vocabulary is strong, you'll be able to read easily and comprehend what is written. Very nice, children. Okay, 21 and 22 we'll do together first. Mrs. Veronica is qualified dash teaching English.
For teaching.
And for.
For.
Very nice, very nice for teaching English. Can we be sure dash is honesty?
With.
With.
With his.
No.
For. And for.
Off, beta.
Off.
Whenever we make a sentence, what do we use? We use off now. Are you sure of this? Are you sure of the fact? So sure generally takes what? It takes which preposition?
Of.
Off. Okay. I was very sure of the school opening today. So it is basically we take which one? We are going to take it as off only. So this was question number, sentence number 20. And the correct answer is? I'm sure. Which preposition was it? Yes, but it was off. Let's move on to the 23rd one very quickly. Yes, 23 to 27. Hurry up, let's plan quickly. Just 1 minute I'll give you so that we can start discussing. Oh, hurry up, beta, hurry up. Okay, let's start discussing very quickly. The class will get over otherwise. What did Mrs. Tarun die dash?
Off.
Of
Very good. Off. It was dash my will.
Against.
against,
Against.
against,
Good. I took my aging father dash the hand.
By the hand.
by,
Very
By-
good. Very good.
by-
By the hand. He's different dash his mother.
From.
Good. Very good. They like to sit dash the fire during the cold winter season.
By.
By the fire.
Yes, it is by the fire. She works dash her living.
For.
for her living.
Yes, it is for her living. He suffers dash headaches.
From.
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 Very,
With.
very good. Very good. He is dash royal blood.
With.
Off.
He's
Yes,
of.
it is not with, it is of. He's of royal blood. What does this mean? The preposition you've used is correct, but what does it mean? The
From the
sentence.
person belongs to royal family.
Exactly. The person belongs to a royal family. So now plan your answers for 31 to 35 quickly and raise your hands. We'll try and finish this exercise today. Okay, we've got 50 questions. Hurry up, you can easily do it. 31 to 35, just 1 minute to prepare. Let's start. They went so fast that I couldn't keep up dash them.
With.
With.
All men between 18 and 25 dash exception are expected to serve in the army during the time of war.
Without.
Without.
Very good. Very
Without.
good. Without. Very
Without.
good. Yes. He's content dash his very little salary.
With.
With.
Very good. With. He won't dash the room dash we were sitting in. I just discussed this.
Them
Into the room.
Very good. He walked into the room in which we were sitting. The rain was beating dash the windows.
Against.
Across.
Yes. Very good.
Across.
Against the windows. Kuch bhi takrayega, I told you that is against. Against the windows. Now please plan your answers for 36 into 40 and raise your hands quickly. Okay. It looks better dash a distance.
At a distance.
At a distance.
Okay. I have not done my exercise dash now.
Till.
Now.
Till now.
Very good. Many students are so afraid dash failing that they deny all invitations during an exam period.
About.
Of.
Very good. With afraid we use of. I'm afraid of dogs. I'm afraid of tigers. So with afraid it is of. She took me dash my brother.
To my brother.
To my brother.
Very good. Things are going dash bad dash worse.
From. To.
I'm
Bad
from
from
bad from work.
Very good. From
From
bad
bad
to
to worse.
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 Very good. Okay, 1 minute, 41 to 45. We still have about 4 minutes. We'll be able to complete 41 to 45. Yes, he's living dashes means
Ma'am, within.
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 he had a craving dash wealth.
For.
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 Yes. She spoke dash a whisper.
In.
With.
With a with.
In a whisper. I shall be ready dash a moment.
For.
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 In would be better, Peter. I shall be ready in a moment. बहुत जल्दी तैयार हो जाएंगे. That is what it means. I shall be ready in a moment. He's an expert dash economics.
Of.
Of
In.
economics. No.
Ma'am,
In
in.
is yes. In
In.
economics. He's a man dash his 40s.
Above.
In
About.
is a
About.
man. No. In is the correct answer. He's a man in his 40s. In his 40s. She rushed forward to help, irrespective dash the consequences.
Of.
Of.
Very good,
Of.
very good. I met Ajitesh yesterday, but I knew him long dash that.
Before.
Before.
that.
Very nice. You'd better demand an answer dash that fellow as soon as possible.
From.
From.
Good. He broke a loaf of bread, dashed 2 pieces and gave me one.
Into.
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 Very good. There was one sentence of craving over here, 42. This one. What does this sentence mean? And also give me one sentence related to
Ma'am,
this.
he wants more and more money.
So can we have a sentence, children? Please use this word craving for. Make a sentence craving for.
Yesterday, I had a craving for McDonald's.
Yes, beta, explain the meaning. Yes, he's saying yesterday I had a craving for McDonald's. What? Burgers? Fries? What? What in
Ma'am,
McDonald's?
everything.
Okay. Tell me what is craving. When it rains, you feel like eating what? Tell me.
Ma'am, whenever we wanted to eat something or get something from the bottom of our heart, like I don't know the exact meaning.
From a strong desire.
Exactly. It's a strong desire. Now give me more sentences. He's already given a nice sentence. I had a craving for McDonald's yesterday. You tell me one more sentence. Come on, children, give me another sentence for craving for. Come on, give me one sentence more. Craving for.
Ma'am, many of us has craving for marks.
Okay. Generally, I've heard it for food, but here it is related to marks. Very nice. Anyone else would like to give us a sentence?
Ma'am, she had a craving to see the world.
Very good. She had a craving to see the world. That's really nice. Too good, Beta. So we've done 50 sentences today using prepositions, different kind of prepositions we came across. So please keep revising this and we'll meet in the next class.